Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like this video and to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up to date with all the products of the week we're doing and all our other videos that we regularly post. So this week's product of the week is going to be a Winebuddy 30 bottle wine kits. And for every pack of Winebuddy 30 bottle wine kits you buy, you can pop a pack of 30 shrink caps into your basket for free. So if you want to make your wine bottles look really nice and pretty with a shrink cap like this, also helps protect the corks, then all you need to do is use the code POTW as usual, and you will get a free set of shrink caps for every 30 bottle Winebuddy kit you add to your basket. Just remember to add the Winebuddy 30 bottle wine kit to your basket, then go and choose your pack of shrink caps, whichever color you want to use, and then put them in your basket, and the basket will do all the rest of the magic and take those and make them free. So there we go. This week's product of the week, shrink caps, pack of 30 with every Winebuddy wine kit.